Look at what we're getting, guys.
Even goes off-road, a marvelous thing. Everyone knows it's Amigo, Amigo, Amigo. For starting love and joy. Amigo, Amigo. It's fun for a girl and a boy. Amigo, Amigo. For starting love and joy. It's fun for a girl and a boy.
Amigo, new from ISUZU, battery included.
Guys, this is Rob from Z-Mans. Here's our new one. It's Amigo. Already set up. It was set up for racing already. It's got S10 rear end narrowed in it. It's got slicks on the back. I'm gonna make it. It's already set up with a roll cage in it. I'm gonna finish up the roll cage, make it a little better. It already has a fuel cell. Dry shaft's already been made for a small block Chevrolet. I'm either going to run a LS or a big block, but either one it'll work. We'll see what happens. Pretty neat little truck for 500 bucks. Already somebody's done a disc brake rear end in the back. It's supposed to be out of an S10. Got 342 gear, positive track rear end. There's the transmission mount setup they did. There's the transmission. Everything's built pretty tough. It's what I've seen so far. I don't know if I'm gonna put a S10 front end under it or I'm gonna stay with what I got. I want to set it up for drag strip. Set it up for the street too. So it's gonna be a neat. I wanted something small, something I could put a little motor in and make it go fast. Somebody started with it pretty good. I don't know what I got until I really get into it, but I'm gonna build us something to go fast and hopefully be able to compete. I like little stuff you make go fast a lot quicker, a lot less money. Since we don't have much of that, that's the way I like to do it. See, here's what I'm gonna go in there with. Big block, 454. It's about 450 horse. Might get a little bit more. Roller rockers. Got a little cam in it. Just bought a Holly for $120. Put on it, $750. It ain't been run in years really. It's been sitting outside. Let me see what she sounds like now. Alright, let's see guys if this thing will start. Got a pretty good sound. This thing got airbags and stuff. It's too much for this truck though. I'm gonna put a little 350 back in it. Got like something dead in the exhaust.